decided to make informative video about how people are living in Urmetan, and right now we are going to go to inside of our village to show you about it. So let's go! Hi guys, now I'm standing in center of our village, of Urmetan village, and now I want to show you something interesting about village, and this interesting thing can help for future of our village and for Urmetan movement. So this interesting thing called Ilmomuz Education Center that helps students, help Urmetan for future movement of our village. So this is the first room of, it's called library at Ilmomuz Center. So we have some books from here, and students take books from here and they can sit here and read books and prepare some homeworks or something. So this is the official SAT book, and students take this book and prepare SAT and TOEFL skills. So that was library and the first room of Ilmomuz Center. This is the second room of Ilmomuz Center, and in the second room we have some, we opened two courses, English and Russian courses. And in English course we organized debate clubs, we organized some clubs, debate club, karaoke club, game club and movie club. We opened these clubs, and I think it can help for develop this Ilmomuz Center, and students can learn many new skills. And we had two debate tournaments in Ilmomuz Center, and that was great, and students learned many new things. So that was about the second room and what activities